Hi everyone, sorry it's a little bit later than I would have liked to be tonight, but I'm just letting you know about this storm that's about to hit us tomorrow. Um, because of the barometric pressure of the current low, which is crossing the Tasman Sea, it will be really stormy. There's probably likely to be some severe winds, probably 120 km in some places. This is similar to the June storm a few years ago. I'm not too sure whether it will cross directly through the Cook Strait like it did last time. It looks like it may be a little bit further north, but I'm still keeping an eye on that. Anyway, in the first graph, I just want to show you, this is the South Island, but this is really cool. Um, the low that's coming across here, and then we've got this. This is the cold southerly just here. Okay, now these two storms are going to collide over the Southern Alps, and basically, so I'll just move that across. So you can see the southerly storms coming across, and the warm low is moving over the Southern Alps. And by the time we get to, this is 6 o'clock tomorrow night, the freezing cold air is now literally over from Christchurch right across to the west coast, and basically with the amount of heavy moisture in there, with the warm air and the cold air combined, that is going to give North Canterbury, South Canterbury a heck of a lot of snow. So there could be up to 40 centimetres, 50 centimetres of snow. Like, it's going to be quite a bit there anyway. Basically, yeah. So it continues for at least a good 6 hours, maybe even a lot longer than that. And then it starts to turn more southerly here. So the low is now come across. So that's the centre of the low there. So it comes across, ends up over here, and when it does get across, the isobar lines change direction to more of a southerly, and basically it's locking all that moisture in, and that is now going to push it up towards Wellington. So we will get a little bit of that moisture. So that'll be midnight into Sunday, and you can see this on Sunday. You can see how it's up here in the northern Manawatu by that stage. This is 6 a.m. in the morning, so it looks like it's moving pretty fast, and it's certainly not mucking around, that's for sure. Okay, on the next image, so that's just a quick image of basically what's happening in Canterbury. Yeah, again, you've got the low coming across, meeting all this warm moisture here that's being pulled down from the tropics, hitting the Southern Alps, and then you've got the cold southerly coming up underneath that. So the warm raindrops will fall down, they change and crystallize and turn to heavy snow. So heavy snowfall will be around this area here, all up this coastline. Right, next one is, now this one here is the freezing level. So it's 100 metres in the whole South Island. That pink line is 100 metres. And then it's 200, and then by the time it gets to Wellington, we're looking at 300, 400 metres. So the snow level will actually be, a little bit higher for us than last time. And so in this particular case, I mean, we're going to get rain. It's going to be cold. It'll be sleety showers, and there'll probably be snow flurries above 300 metres. And there's a good chance that they're likely to settle to above 300. And on to the last one. So this is the North Island image. So again, here's the big low coming across. It's at 986 barometric pressure at that point. And then we flick over to this. Now it's deep into 984. And I can't exactly see. So I'll just see if I can zoom in on this. That's better. Okay. So yeah, 986. It looks like the low is actually tracking across the central plateau, which could lead to a bit of snow on Mount Ruapehu as well. And as you can see, there's that moisture line there with the cold southerly. So that will move up over the Wellington region, and that's at midnight Sunday. So, and then onto the next frame again. So this is 6 a.m. Sunday morning, and basically the southerlies really starting to kick in at this point. You've got big flags here, so that means that there'll be a lot of wind. So expect the wind to be up to that 120 marker, and like I say, snow above 300 meters. And then it continues on Sunday as well. It'll turn to chain showers by Sunday. So chain showers are when you get the cloud comes in, and then you'll get a break and it'll be fine, and you'll think, oh, it's nice and fine, and then the next thing you know, you look to the south and there's another big fat black cloud on its way moving up. Okay, so you're likely to get sleet, hail, sometimes even thunder and lightning can occur if there's any warm air around with that, but that's not all the time. Anyway, I'll leave you with that update, and have a great night, and I'll do another update tomorrow. Thanks.